actually some sun after all the rain. So I said, okay, let's take this opportunity and go for a walk. Well, in the back you can see it's still quite grayish. Lizzie, Nino. Monty has gone, to the... Oh yeah, there is a dog. Pridi, no, Lizica. Kuja gremem, no? Yeah, Monty has gone to see the horses. And if you're wondering why Liza doesn't go, well, apparently last year when I was in Austria, they took her once with them to see the horses, to the stables, and she was apparently freaked out. She didn't want to leave the car, she was afraid of horses, which is interesting because when she was puppy we met police horses several times. And she went in a, basically she walked right next to them, 1 meter away. She was 1 meter away from the horses and nothing happened, she didn't freak out. And there was actually next to the Koseze pond on the farm, they also had a horse for 2-3 years, for the first 2-3 years of Liza's life. Sadly he passed away, but every time when we had to been to the pond, we had to go visit also that horse. So I don't know how last year she freaked out when she saw those horses. So yeah. Yeah, apparently, so at least 4 days of rain, and then they are predicting, that afterwards will basically composed of afternoon showers, quick showers. But yeah, tomorrow apparently it will be the hardest raining day of the month, especially for the eastern part. Especially for the eastern part of Slovenia. So today is Saturday, tomorrow Sunday, and they have already predicted that there will be major flooding going on. So yeah, we will see. So there is a river that goes, comes from Austria, Mura, or in German Mur, and that river basically has a tendency to flood, and apparently tomorrow it will be also flooding. Fortunately, Mom's house is not near that river, but it's relatively close to another river, smaller river, major stream, I don't know. But yeah, okay, number 2, and we will end on this point. And just a quick addendum, if you think that we have made it, without getting caught once again in the rain, it just started to rain. I don't know, 10 minutes. I think we had been without rain for 10 minutes. And this one takes so long to sniff everything, to explore everything. She is in no hurry. Rain doesn't bother her. Oh, yeah. Okay, let's end on this point for real.